James has a spinner that has sections labelled 1 to 5. He spins the spinner 10 times. Here are his scores. So we're going to find the mode, the median, the mean, and the range of this data. So to find the mode means the most common. Mode, most. M-O, M-O, that's how I remember it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put all of these numbers in order. So we've got 1, and once I've got that I'm going to cross it off in the list. I've got 2 more ones as well. And again, cross them off in the list as soon as you've done that. I've also got 2. There's no more 2s, so I'm going to cross it off. I've got 3. No more 3s, I'm going to cross it off. Then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 4s. Cross them off. And then I've got that 5. It's really important that I've crossed everything off because I know if I've missed anything out now. And I could go back and put them back in. Okay, so I've got my list here. Just enlarged it a little. Mode is the most common number. So you can clearly see what's the most common number there. Well, there's 3 1s, there's 4 4s. So the most common number here is 4. The median is the middle number. So I need to order them again. So I'm just going to copy my numbers from over here. So the first step for the median is you order your numbers. Now the median is the middle number, so we're going to cross off from the outside in pairs. Now here's my first pair. Now what I'm going to do, and it's a nice little trick, change the direction of your dash so you know that you've crossed off a full pair, in case for some reason you get distracted and you forget which was the last pair that you crossed off. There's my next pair. There's my next one. So there isn't actually a middle number here. There are 2 middle numbers. So to find the middle number here, I am going to find the middle of 3 and 4. So what's in the middle of 3 and 4? A lot of you will be shouting out what it is. I'm just going to show you a way that you can do it if it's not so obvious. So to find the middle of something, you actually just add them together. 3 add 4. And then divide by 2. So 3 add 4 is 7. Divide by 2 is 3.5. So the median for this question is 3.5. Okay, we're also going to find the mean. You don't have to order these this time, but I'm going to take my ordered list just because I haven't written over it. So you don't have to order them. The mean, I always think, is the meanest. It's the one that requires the most effort. You add them all together and you divide by how many there are. So if I just go through that again, the mode is the most common. The median, mead, it's got that D in it, middle. And then the mean is the meanest. So you add them all together. And you're going to divide by how many there are. Okay, so let's have a go at that. If we add them all together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 29. And divide by how many there are. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 10 numbers in that list. So it's 29 divided by 10, which is 2.9. So the mean here is 2.9. So the range, that's our last average, is the highest number take away the lowest number. So our highest in the list, so it does help if you've ordered them. So if I copy the list again, so our highest, if I highlight it, is 5, and our lowest is 1. So you're going to do 5, take away 1. My range here is 4.